Hi everybody, my name is Boago Okgetheng. I'm coming from a small village called Lotlakana West. I'm 21 years old. I'm here to show people my talent, which is acting. People, please vote for me. Taxi, taxi, taxi! Oh, it has gone. Anyway, I'll wait for another car. Oh, that car reminded me of something. This guy who was known as Joe, my lovely, lovely guy. I loved him very much. I remember one time when we went for a party, my cousin's party, we went there, dancing, drinking, dancing. I remember this one song, which was, Ewe, 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 Ewe. Then he came next to me and started saying, let's go home. It's what he said to me. Then I said, what? Then dance, dance, drink, dance, dance, dance. Then he came back and said, let's go home. I just noted because I loved him. I know what is going to happen that night. Early in the morning when I returned back home, I found my husband was waiting for me. And he started, where do you come from? Then I was like, oh, I'm coming from my cousin. Started, hey, say it out. Then he started beating me. Oh shit! I was pregnant.